Well, just look at this magnificent swimming facility here at the Esplanade in Cairns. You can see the ocean in the background, and this is a pool. I'm trying to get a better exposure there. It's luxury. Shall we go swimming? Shall we go swimming? Jump in. No, actually, we don't want to go swimming because we don't want people to see us semi-naked. Semi-naked. Well, we've bought new hats. As you can see, this hat is much less daggy than the previous one that I was wearing because it had a kangaroo on the front. See, this one has nothing.
You can wear that kangaroo one gardening.
Yeah, when I'm gardening, I'll wear the kangaroo one.
Yeah.
There's no one to laugh at me. This one's very sophisticated, isn't it? And yours is pretty good. Quite elegant. Well, Cairns is abuzz with eclipse fever, as you can see. See all the people? They're abuzz. Well, one person mentioned it to me. Well, behind me is the Cairns Wildlife Dome. Something like that. It's a dome with animals, and we're going to go in there. This is where we enter, and we're up on top of the, I guess this is the casino. This whole building is the casino, and the Wildlife Dome is on top of the casino. So you can look at koalas and then gamble. It's very convenient. Well, we're in the Wildlife Dome, and as you can see, there's some wildlife.
Ooh, coming.
He's coming after me. He's definitely coming after me. Calm down. No, I don't want you on me.
Hello.
It's a very enthusiastic bird there. You can get on my shoulder. There you go. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Hang on.
It's at this point that I should talk like a pirate. Hang on. Don't eat that button. No. Don't eat that. I think he ate it.
Oh, very.
I think he took my button.
Really? Completely?
I think so.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's got it. Don't eat it.
He could understand you're talking. Sorry. Ouch.
Don't do that. Well, behind me is some kind of, well, it looks like an obstacle course. There's ladders and things you walk across. Well, I don't know, you walk across those tires or something. That's a new attraction, which I think is not finished yet. And yeah, you sort of climb around the inside of this dome like a monkey. See, there's more of it up here. You walk across these things, and it looks like people will be tethered to an overhead wire so they can't fall off.
And koala's natural distribution is eastern and southeastern Australia, so that includes eastern Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, a bit of South Australia. And their fur is actually very thin.
The koala.
Each hair is extremely thin.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Cairns Gold. Brewed right here in Cairns, I think. Well, it could be brewed somewhere else. I don't know. But it's called Cairns Gold.